From the 40s to the 60s, jazz in Akron was hot. Folks flooding in from all over looking for a job in the Rubber City brought with them a nightlife like this town had never seen. Back then, Main Street and Howard Street were even known as Akron's Harlem. Big-time artists like Billie Holiday, Count Basie, and Wes Montgomery would stop and play here on their way to Cleveland, Chicago, or New York. A lot of times playing with local musicians like Jimmy Noel and Punchy Atkinson. What Punchy told me about the music scene back then, it's all coming back around. Our town is in a time of renaissance. That jazz era heat is turning back up in a new generation. It's the youth who reinvent and reignite the culture. As true in 1940 as it is today. So join us as we add a new chapter to the history of Akron's music scene.